Mr. Speaker, the negotiations are very complex, as I have said here before. I have to keep a certain distance from this because it is a tender process and the discussions are being led by the tender board. And I am not part of the tender board. I am told, when I have asked for an update, that they are sorting out just a few technical details in order to be able to proceed. But I am not involved in the detailed negotiations, and it would not be correct for me to be involved in the detailed negotiations because it is an independent tender board.
Madam Speaker, may I put to the Honourable Minister, would he not agree with me that it's somewhat difficult to convince members of the public to go green, to recycle, to reduce waste, protect the environment, when on actual fact the government, and critically if I may, is not leading by example, not least because we continue to pump raw sewage in our oceans and we've been in a negotiation stage with a preferred bidder for the better part of 2 years. Can I put it in those terms to the Honourable Minister, whether he can do everything in his power to try and expedite the negotiation process?
Madam Speaker, I don't agree with the first part of the Honourable Member's statement and his assessment of that situation. As to the second part, I am doing everything in my power to urge a conclusion by the tender board of the discussions. Madam Speaker, in very broad terms, there are commercial and technical issues under discussion, but as I have said, I am not involved in the discussions. It is being dealt with by the independent tender board. If I were involved directly, I would be criticised by the members opposite for interfering with an independent tender.